Hello and welcome to the Humble Investor Bull Bear Market Report. My name is Adam Straseske. If you want help growing your Roth IRA, your 401k, or your stock account, I can help. We're going to go over the broad market readings and then this week's operating plan. First thing first, we want to know, are we in bull or bear market territory? Is it risk on or risk off? We're on a risk on stance. According to 12-month momentum, the MSCI All World ex-USA Index and the S&P 500 are greatly outpacing treasuries, represented by this red dotted line here. And last month, we rotated into large cap and growth since the S&P 500 started to outpace the MSCI All World ex-USA Index. So good week for both of them, but better for the S&P 500. As far as correction risk, it doesn't look very good for breadth. This can be interpreted really a couple different ways, but right here on the longer term, this could be seen as a negative reversal, which would favor the bears, and then this could be seen as a negative divergence, which would also favor the bears. But it really depends upon if you measure the close or if you just measure price alone. But we're coming into this week right into resistance. This is where the last leg failed on the way up, and now we're right back there where we started the decline of this first leg up. So we'll see what happens this week. If the bulls can break to the upside here, we could see a quick run up to at least test the new highs, these recent highs. The stage of the S&P 500. We're in this broad bull channel or a trading range, depending upon how you look at it. But the bottom line is that the bulls are still in control. It favors bullish action right now. When we look at this week's operating plan, we still like preferreds, and then of course U.S. large caps and U.S. growth. And here's a list of our swings. No scalps right now. Here's just another look. This is U.S. large cap and then U.S. growth. And here's the channel. The broad trading, the broad channel, and then here's the trading range. So they look pretty similar, but you can see that both of them are representative. You could interpret it either way. As far as UK, up 2.69% for the week. Really thought we were going to get stopped out last week. Didn't happen. Bulls came in, bought its support. This could be a double bottom right here. We'll see if we can get some more bullish price action, but we really want to see it break these highs and then advance quickly. That would really favor the bulls for ultimately new highs, but we'll see if we can get that. Japan, basically a flat week for Japan, down 0.6%. This is a doji bar. Basically, it's where prices opened and closed at the same price, and there was action in the middle. So it's more of a neutral bar right here. It's a weak, very, very weak buy signal, or it can be a continuation. So sitting on support, and so we'd like to think that it would favor the bulls and a bounce in here. But nonetheless, we've got a stop in. We've adjusted the stop up a couple times now, and this red line represents our stop. Oil up 1.29% for the week. Still looks good for oil. We're still in this broad bull channel. We did adjust the stop up, but I think it's been a couple weeks now. Adjusted the stop up, and then I just leave. This is here just to show where the original second purchase price range was, and then the stop was just below here. U.S. Treasury is by far the weakest index that we're looking at right now, and we just can't seem to get any bounce in here, and so this could be a bear flag. We'll see. The only reason we're still looking at it is because the actual vehicle that we're trading is well within the range. So it doesn't look good for treasuries right here. I have a feeling that we're going to see a fall to the downside. Don't know for sure, but we really would have liked to see a bounce, a strong bounce, and we're not getting that at all. Australia up 1.59% for the week, came right down to the channel line and bounced. We've got a second purchase range down in here, an initial stop below there. Looks good, nice bull bar, and we'll see if we can continue that. Brazil, the strongest index that we're looking at, and still in this broad bull channel, we could see new highs on this one. Don't know for sure, but we could see new highs. It's right there at the top. This bear bar didn't get far at all. We only had 2 bear bars and then nice advance. And this, like I said, this bear bar didn't get as far at all. And then the bull stepped in. So we'll see if we can break to new highs. If so, looks good for Brazil. In the MSCI EFA Value Index, we got in. Glad that it held on support, and it's almost an inside bar. But this is a buy signal here. Looks good. We've got a second purchase range in here and then initial stop down here. Monthly trender, we're all in there. Weekly swing, we like global natural resources. Don't know if it will hit or not this week, but we've got a nice buy signal. Looks strong, and so if we get a trigger, then we'll get involved in it. All right, with that, have a great week, and we'll talk to you next time.